This is the pilot assembly of a Gus Pro oven. Here's the gas line for the pilot that comes from the pilot valve, which is down over there. So this gas line comes in here through the pilot assembly. There's a pilot tube underneath there, and this is a spark electrode. So when the oven calls for flame, what happens is the gas turns on here and the spark turns on here at the same time. And this is the UV detector tube. If this sees a UV light from the flame, it will open the main gas valve. But this is just the pilot assembly. There's an on and off valve here too. The gas comes in here. This is the on and off valve for the pilot assembly. There's a little tube that goes down into the burner here, and then that puts gas in, and this is a spark electrode and the spark plug wire that basically will ignite it. The gas travel, the burner, the blower pushes the gas, pushes the air this way. So you have an airflow going this way, coming out of the oven. So the gas here will hit the spark here, it ignite. And that's basically how a Bayco oven works. So, and over here we have the blower motor, and I'm in a very cramped space here right now. And there's the main gas valve there. There's a pilot gas light there, and there's the fire eye that plugs into the flame detector tube, which is right there. But that's what your pilot lights look like on an older Bayco oven.